y'all, it's Angie. I'm back. This week I've got the FabFitFun summer box somewhere in here. We've got a few add-ons, which I do believe includes a mystery bundle. Time has been a little bit crazy, as we all know. Haven't got my hair done in 3 months grace. I've got my new puppy niece. Hello. Obviously getting a little sun. I just feel like the past couple weeks have been crazy. I do also have this box, which alleges to be from FabFitFun Styles. So I don't know if it's a mystery. I don't know if it's part of this. It came like a week before this came, but I do know the mail has been pretty slow recently. But because this is the most I don't know what it is. I'm gonna crack this open first. Although, like I said, I'm pretty sure the summer box is in here. Let's check it out. Hey, Jude. Come here, Jude. You wanna look at what's in the box? So this is June, my new niece. June, I don't think this is for you. Oh, okay. So, I've not ever, obviously I've gotten fashion pieces from FabFitFun, but I've not ever engaged. They do have a FabFitFun style box. I've never ordered it, but this is from Free People. Originally $98, I think it was $29 in the add-on sale. Not really the weather for it, but cool nights at the beach. It's kind of like a mid-weight, long cardi. Love it. Love it. Okay, I've been wondering what was in that box. So let's crack this open. I also want to say I don't think that all the add-ons are in here. I do think there's even a second box coming. I just think that because of all the chaos that is 2020, things are getting shipped at odd times. Things are coming when they're coming. The mail is not really consistent. Here we go. Oh. Ah! You know what? Give me one sec. This is gonna be the summer box though. Let's throw some of these things back and we'll get to them momentarily. Oh, this looks like a bigger than average box. So I'm excited to see what's in here. So with the summer box, with all the boxes, you can either get a seasonal box. They come out 4 times a year for $50, or you can do a full year where they're 45 a piece or 180. Obviously those aren't exact numbers. It'll be like 99 or 95, but I get the annual subscription. So this $45 is what it cost me, or 180 for the year, however you want to look at it. I do get to customize, so some of these items I will have picked. With every box, there's a whole bunch of extra stuff. So this is $90 to Green Chef. I think, but I'm not 100% sure, that Green Chef it's a food meal kit service. Yeah, so they have keto, paleo, plant-powered, balanced living. Typically, now I can't remember what it's called, HelloFresh. They typically do HelloFresh coupons, which I did actually use from the spring box this year, just because I've been home. Not bad getting some food, a meal kit. Oh, what's this? $50, Bright Cellars. So because it's a wine subscription service. They have these little magazines. So Gabby Douglas, the gymnast, is on the cover. I think Serena Williams, but it might have been Venus Williams, Megan Trainor, the girl from Jane the Virgin. So there's always like a featured celebrity. And typically these are just, for the most part, here we go, info about the different items, more details about what you could have gotten. So, now for the fun stuff. Okay, so this was customization round number 1. It's a Yumi Kim charger, the wireless chargers. So it's supposed to be for all different kind of phones. So you got the USB cable in there. This is gorgeous. It just looks like a pretty little coaster. So Yumi Kim is known for their floral patterns. They're not really a tech company, so it was fun seeing like a pretty pattern like this on a tech piece. So hopefully that works. I've wanted a wireless charger, so this I did select for myself. This was the first customization category too, I believe. This was the thing I was the most excited for of all of the FabFitFun selections, like across the board for summer. It is a little beach bag. I wasn't sure how big it was, but you can see it's brand is called Business and Pleasure. I'm not super familiar with it, but I think it's super cute. So it's a little beach bag. It's got the like cooling, so you can put it in, and it's actually like small enough. It's mid-sized enough that you could use it as a lunchbox for work or something, bring leftovers to a party, but I think you also use it for like drinks or something like that. So I am excited to use that if we get any summer adventures. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. We're moving into yellow where I'm at, so hopefully get to go out sometime soon. This was another customization, and this is one of those things that I wasn't super psyched. I can't remember what else was in that category, but I thought I'm gonna try this, which is, I'm not 100% how to pronounce it, Terra Mare. It's an aloe and tea tree toner. Toner is one of those things I always skip. I don't know about other people. I cleanse, I moisturize. I've never been never tried out toning. I'm not really sure if it's something that I'm missing or not. And this is a gigantic bottle. So that's big. Here's my hand. It's about as tall as my hand. So, I don't know. Sometimes you just want to try something new out. So this was another customization. So I got 5 customizations. So you're going to see this came together. I actually just thought it was this. And I'm not going to necessarily bust this out, but company called Black. It is hyaluronic acid, and I'm assuming it's black because it's charcoal based, but maybe not. So this is a mask, but this is the little peel-ons just for under your eyes and stuff. I only thought the customization was this at first, and I was totally happy just with this. Now I'm like, ooh, and mask. So lots of fun stuff. I do know people who I prefer sheet masks, but I do know people who prefer this kind of mask. So this part of it might be a gift, but this one is definitely for me. And this was the final customization piece. I love home stuff. So Exo is a brand you'll see a lot in FabFitFun, just across the board. Really cute, girly home good stuff. But this is Isaac Mizrahi loves Exo, so I guess it's some type of collaboration. I don't know if it's special for FabFitFun. How cute is this little vase? I love it. That's gorgeous. It's perfect, like spring summery colors, very feminine, adorable. So those are all the pieces that I picked, but there are just a few little surprises at the bottom. So let's see what they threw in. Tarocco foot cream. It's gonna be good for summer. I have been walking every single day, beating those feet up, so you know, doesn't hurt to have something a little extra. Summer is always that time where feet get a good workout. This is Winky Lux Universal Brow Pencil. I actually got my brows microbladed about 6 months ago, so I technically stopped using eye pencils. I used to use like the Anastasia ones every single day. This might be something I pass on to someone else. It's not something I'm probably ever gonna use just because I pay some money for that and I'm good for it. And then the final item, Spun Gel Hand Cream, Coconut Verbena. Ooh. It smells very summery because it has that very good coconutty, like sunscreen fragrance to it. So I do like that. And there's gonna be a couple add-ons. So I know what this is. This is the first time I've ever done this. When you are customizing your box, so everything that I said, the first 5 items are things I customized. If you like more than one of the items, they do allow you to tack on second ones for an additional rate. It obviously depends on the tier. So round 1, the items were the most expensive. So this was tacked on for $15, but this retails at $75. This is a Draper James kind of summer tote. Draper James is Reese Witherspoon's brand. For the most part, you know, I've looked at the fashion items that she sells. I don't love most of them. They're very sort of like, you know, Southern Country Club, but this is just a great piece. This little scarf is detachable. Navy's not my color, although I do occasionally wear navy stuff, so it's great for that. I mean, or you could just wear that as a scarf. You could either reattach a different scarf, which I do have other things that would look cute there, or just wear it as a completely neutral piece. It's a pretty decent size. It even looks like on the bottom it'll stand up. So that's just like a great mid-sized summer bag. Thank you, Reese Witherspoon. So you inspired me, Reese, to get, you know, to double up. And I doubled up on one other round as well. Oh, here's the piece. This is, in addition to the yellow cooler, lunch tote, beach bag, whatever you want to call it. This was in round 2 as well. And this is an Isaac Mizrahi kimono poncho piece. Again, I think this one was also $15. So if you think what you could retail it for, ooh, come here, June, you like it? Nope. Nope, she's confused. But great piece, easy piece. Good for the beach, if we see the beach. Not 100% sure what's happening summer 2020, but you know what? That will stay in fashion for a very long time. Okay, so this is a portion of an add-on because I do know that this was part of a summer bundle. This is a white tea and ginger oil diffuser. I've never used an oil diffuser. I have used, well, these are, hold on, let me see if I can get this out. With the sticks, I don't know what that was. I mean, I guess it's still called a diffuser. I have just a water-based diffuser. Ooh, that's big. But it had other pieces which are going to be in the second box, which were more appealing. So I probably wouldn't have bought. This is beautiful though. That might be a nice gift. Or do I want it myself? To be decided. But the rest of the bundle is coming in the second box. The same is true with these. These are just when, this should be the Korean style beauty masks. The sheet masks I love. So whenever I see them, because FabFitFun add-ons are so cheap, they'll do a box of 5 or a box of 7 for like $5 versus if you were to buy them retail, they usually retail anywhere from like $2 to $5 per mask. So I always grab these. Sorry, the hair balls, I was wondering if they were in here, are also part of the, they went with the diffuser, are part of the summertime bundle. So these are just little hair baubles by Invisibobble. This is cute. I'm always looking for home stuff. By Summer and Rose. This is just a 3-pack of little sort of basket bins in different sizes. Unbelievably cute. To be 3, kind of doing like the nesting dolls thing. And then we have one mystery bundle. So, folks, this mystery bundle is 1904-MYS-001. Last time I got the mystery bundles and I was very on the fence if I would ever do that again, but this has something big in it, so I'm very excited. Did I hit the jackpot? What is this thing? Looks like another bag. Ooh. It's either a suede or very good knockoff. I do not see a brand, but this is a beautiful bag. I mean, for summer, it's good for like festivals or farmers markets. See, it seems real or a very good knockoff of suede. I love the blue color. I don't think I have anything. It's like a denim blue. That's beautiful. Like it, puppy girl? We got some beauty products down the bottom here. Daily Concepts Your Dual Texture Scrubber with Smart Technology. Is this a sponge? Seems like a sponge. I'm gonna go something in the bath. Why not? Actually, it has a fragrance to it. It has like a honeysuckle fragrance. I don't know why they make these things so hard to get into. This is Pure Earth Himalayan Salt Body Polish. So that's gonna be a great bath product. I love, as I say, I really love moisturizing things. So anything that gets like gritty in the bath, I'm excited to try this out. We got one last thing. Ooh, and it's a nice one. I'm gonna have to say thumbs up to this mystery bundle because after the last one I got, was my first try, but this is for good. So this is a linen spray. The fragrance is gonna be Curacao Breeze, but I love stuff like that, you know, instead of spraying with a Febreze or something like that, that's gonna be a nice product just to have. Come here, baby. So, I mean, that's pretty much summer box. Lots of fun add-ons and mystery bundle. I'm pretty pleased. I do have additional add-ons coming sometime in the mail. I did just participate just a little bit in the Kate Spade, Kate Somerville mid-season sale. So we have a lot of products that are on way, so I'll be back in touch soon. If you do want to subscribe, like I said, I get free starter boxes, I get discount codes, so you yourself can use any of my codes and get a good deal. Come here, baby, let's say bye. And this is Junie. Come on, sweet pea. June could care less about FabFitFun. There's nothing for doggies, but aw, you're a good girl though, right? Aw. Say bye-bye, June. Say bye-bye. Aw, hello. Mwah. Say bye.